ಹತರ್ವನ ಅಡಕಿ ಇ ಮೀ ಐ ಅಕುರುಗೆ ಅಡು ಮಿ ಅಡು ತಾರಫ್ ಕುರ ಬೇಣುಕುರ ವಾಹಕ ಫುರತಮ ಅಡು ಹಾಲಮ.
Zack has a white pet mouse. She lives in a cage on the desk in his bedroom. One evening, Zack forgets to close the cage door properly. The little mouse climbs out of the cage and starts looking around the desk. Suddenly, she sees the cat watching her. She squeaks, "Ee, ee, ee," and quickly runs across the top of the desk. Crash! She bumps into a bottle of ink and knocks it over. The top comes off and the ink spills out everywhere, even over the little mouse. The mouse keeps on running as fast as she can, scampering off the desk and across the room to a mouse hole she had seen from her cage. Safe in the mouse hole, she scrubs and scrubs, but she cannot get all the ink off. She decides that from now on she will make this her new home and call herself Inky Mouse. All Zack can find is a set of inky footprints across the carpet, leading from the desk and into the mouse hole.
මිවාක කියාදී නිම්මා ෆහාලෙ විදානේ කිව්වේ මි මවුස්ස ඉන්කී මවුස් කියන්නේ ಕುದಿಜಿನ ಜವಾಬಕ ವಾಣೆ ಮೌಸ್ ಮುಳಿ ಗ್ಯಾಗ ಇಂಕ್ ಉಂಗುಳು ನೀಮಕಮ ನುವತ ಇಂಕುಗೆ ಕುಲ ಗ್ಯಾನ್ ನುಫಿಲೀಮಕಮ ಈ ಮಿಯಡುಗೆ ಹರಕಾತಕಿ ಮೀದಲೆಕ್ಕಮಂ ಹಿಂದಿಗೆನ್ ಅಂಗೆ ಅನೇಫತ ಅದೆಮೆದ ದೇಯತುಗೆ ಎಂಗಿಲಿ ತಗ್ಗೆನೆಸ್ ತಳುವಮು ಮೀದ ಗೋವಾಗೊತ ಇ ಇ ಇ ಎಯಡುಲೆವ್ ಮೀ ಇ ಮಿಯಡುಗೆ ಲವ.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky is wet.
Then midakkalani I miyaduge akuru nuata I akuru liyagoy. Miyakuru es tiri nulamba liyan daskod devidan. Ehen akuru taggota miyakuru es vagi terega liyefa ituru activity en haddalam wan. I miyaduge furatama activity එක දෙනි mi ganduga echchek kurahala. Efaho mibasta wakiwakin kiya devidan. A I it s it sit migota adu wakin kiyuwafa den bas ekko kiyuwane timwana harakataki I miyadu net tasviruga nuba fahanga jehun mi tasviru tako me fennani hat igloo insects ink I miyadu nuhimene tasviraki hat එහෙම හෙට්ග නුබෑෆාහඟ ජානේ මියා හිසාබ දියාම කුරීග කියාදින් බස්තව්වෙස් කියන් දෙවිදාන්